Lost container videos are going absolutely viral on social media right now. And look at this Instagram page. 28.8 thousand followers built purely by posting this one exact style of content. And their top videos are already sitting at 2.8 million, 3.3 million, and 1.1 million views, and still climbing. Now watch what I personally created with AI in just 5 minutes. Here is exactly how you can create these for completely free right now. The very first thing you need to do is head to the description below and open the prompt file I have already prepared for you. Start by copying the idea generation prompt and pasting it directly into ChatGPT. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will instantly present you with a set of highly engaging lost container video ideas to choose from. Pick the one that feels the most compelling and paste it directly into the same chat. Now copy the scene generation prompt and paste it in right after. Hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will produce 5 fully written video generation prompts covering every single scene of your video, all structured and completely ready to use. Copy scene 1 prompt and head straight over to Google Flow. Select the video option from the top and choose OmniFlash as your video model. Paste the prompt directly in and hit enter. In just a few seconds, your very first scene will appear right in front of you. Now to generate your second scene, scroll all the way to the very end of your first video and save the last frame by clicking the Save Frame option. Click on that saved frame, hit the 3 dots, and select Animate. Copy the Scene 2 prompt from ChatGPT and paste it directly in. Hit enter, and your second scene will be ready in seconds. Now simply repeat the exact same process until every single scene is completely finished. Once all your scenes are done, download every clip and bring them into any video editor you are comfortable with. Arrange all your clips carefully in the correct sequence, from start to finish. Remove any parts that do not look right. Add smooth transitions between scenes to keep the flow clean and natural, and hit export. Your viral lost container video is completely finished and ready to post. So that's the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the newest viral AI niches the moment they drop.